Hello and welcome to WorkWise OnContact CRM training. This video is titled Using Searches, Dashboards, and Reports Part 1 and covers search options in CRM 7. First, we'll start with our most basic find feature called Search, which is accessed from the topmost button on the left-hand navigation menu. Type the first few letters or word of what you're looking for into the search field and click the magnifying glass icon, or press Enter on your keyboard to initiate the search. Results are then displayed directly below the search field. Click on a record to retrieve it into the workspace. Note that when the Filter By option is set to All, the search will retrieve companies, contacts, opportunities, and incidents. To narrow down search results, choose an option from the Filter drop-down to retrieve only the type of data you'd like to see. For example, if we choose Company and then run the same search as before, only companies matching the keyword will be found. To further narrow down your search, click the black arrow in the search field and you can choose which columns to search in. For example, on the company search, you can choose any combination of company name, city, or state. The Filter By options for contact, opportunity, and incident searches also provide the Search In option. Next, let's take a look at saved searches, which provide additional features and options. These searches are also categorized by the type of information they're designed to retrieve. To start out, let's open the Company Saved search by clicking the magnifying glass icon to the right of the word Company. By default, saved searches open in Quick Find mode, which initially displays one column in the criteria section. In the case of the Company search, that column is Company Name. Click the Change Search Type button on the far right to reveal additional criteria fields which can be used in any combination to locate the desired information. For example, let's find all the active companies located in the state of Wisconsin. Once the appropriate fields are chosen, click the Search button and the information will be displayed in the Results section at the bottom. Click on a record to open it in a new tab. Now let's explore some of the major features of saved searches. Starting with the Criteria section, the Layout button allows you to add/remove criteria columns. To do this, click Layout and choose Select Columns. The left side of the Select Columns dialog shows available criteria columns, and the right side shows columns already used or active columns. Click the arrow next to the column on the left that you want to add to the Criteria section, and that column will then appear in the active columns list. Click OK to return to the search, where the newly added column will be available for use. If the column is a code column, like source or territory, a drop-down will automatically be added to that column. To save this change, click Layout and then Save Preferences. Note that adding or removing columns in this fashion is a user preference, and the search will remain unchanged for other users. Moving on, the Advanced button is used to build searches that automatically retrieve data based on a user-defined filter. Let's build a search to retrieve only active companies. To do this, click Advanced, expand Company, click on the arrow to the right of the status column, and you will see a filter dialog. Leave the first drop-down set to Is Equal To, and set the second drop-down to Active. Note the only enabled option on this screen is the Save As button. This is because base searches cannot be overwritten. Only new searches can be added. Using Save As, give the search an appropriate name. In this case, we'll call it Active Companies. Once the search is saved, it will appear as another search in the list of saved searches. Click the New Search to run it, and a new page will open showing only active companies. Moving down toward the Results section, the middle toolbar has a number of useful features for working with retrieved data. Starting from left to right, Refresh reruns the search. Return sends selected results to the navigation menu in a list. The Reports button contains reports that can be run against the search results. Merge is used for creating merge letters. The Email button is used to send mass emails to your customers. Workflows are for running mass actions, such as assigning rep to companies. The Duplicates button checks the search results for potential duplicates, then displays those on a list page where the duplicates can be merged. The small round button next to the Duplicates button reveals additional options, including Export, which is used to export search results to Excel. The Filter button allows you to add a temporary filter to the results area to further drill down into the results of the search. Group is used to group results by any of the results columns. The Layout option is similar to the Layout option on the Criteria section and allows adding or removing columns from the results area. The final button, Merge Records, is used to merge duplicate records together. To do this, highlight two or more records and then click the Merge Records button. From there, pick a survivor record and then click Merge Records. The non-survivor record or records will be deleted, and all of the detailed information from those records, like phone numbers, addresses, activities, contacts, opportunities, etc., will be attached to the survivor record. This concludes our Using Searches, Dashboards, and Reports Part 1 video. Today we explored search options, including search and saved search. Thank you for your attention. Feel free to contact us anytime with questions, issues, or suggestions via the chat feature built into CRM 7, or by phone at 262-375-6540, or email support@oncontact.com.